Now I need to remove this cover to replace the cable here in case in sourdine. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. आणि आज जाऊन असं संडे अँड आय नो फाटली थोडे दीस म्हाका सारको ब्लॉग करपाक मेळूना ड्यू टू द बिजी शेड्यूल दॅट वॉज गोईंग ऑन. आयज संडे आणि आयज म्हाका खूब कामां आसात खूब. Okay, I'm like literally packed with the work. So, okay, first thing is my father's scooter is there, Tvs Jupiter, and mostly the Jupiter users might be knowing that जो accelerator जो असता तो घट जाता. So now I have to replace that. I have to go to market to buy that, and then I have to replace that for him. After that, many more things are there which will continue. So first we are going to do that. This is the accelerator cable, but different Jupiter different येता. For different year model of Jupiters you get different types of cables. So I'll have to check first and then I have to tell which cable I want. Most of the Jupiter owners starting from 2014 till 2020-21 also they face the same problem. Their accelerator cable gets jammed after 1 or 2 years, so you need to replace that. This is the accelerator cable that we need to replace. So this is the cable that was needed. It is actually carburetor model, so we have purchased this cable, and this is my friend's shop here in case in sourdine in Pantemal Road. So you can come here for all the original parts if you want. Saurde Kurchorem. So it's here at the entrance of the Pantemal Road, Sri Ganesh Automobiles, opposite to Chinmay Mission. So you can come here for all the original parts if you want to purchase. I need to remove this cover to replace the cable. This cable goes all the way from here till the back to the carburetor. Earlier cable I've removed and I tried putting this cable inside, but so I have to remove all this and this. What mechanics do is that they connect the older cable to the newer cable, tie it with the tape, like wrap it up, and then old cable ओडटगीर तो new cable त्याच्या बरोबर ऑर्डर येता. But that is risky option, because एकदा कितें जाता तुजो न्यू केबलाचो जो coating it gets worn off, so the coatingय त्याच्या बरोबर सोलोन येता. So it is better to do it hard way rather than doing that. आता मेकॅनिकाचे ते हातीर बसला, सो तांकां ते येता. I have to remove this and this cover so that the cable goes all the way back here. Now I can see this here. If you all can see, there is the cable. See, but तो हांगच्यान काडपाक जाय आमकां. We need to move this cable from here. After 2000 years later, I have taken out this cable. Now I have to install it here. Then I have to install this cable here. I've finished with all the setup. Now we are going to check. I've done सगळं सेटिंग मी करून झाले केबलांचे. आता पयलीं फुल्ल हार्ड येतालो. आता मी नवो केबल चेंज केलो आणि ऑल स्मूथ नाव. सो डन विथ दिस. जाम झालो. नाव द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रिपेयरिंग थिंग. रिपेयरिंग करने से भी मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट सगळ्यांचा चड डिफिकल्ट पार्ट म्हणटा तो हात धुवपाचे, हात क्लीन करपाचे. सगळे ऑयल लगले असता, हाथ को पूरा ऑयल लगा रहता है, ग्रीस लगी रहती है. वो निकालने में, वो हाथ से निकालना सबसे मुश्किल काम है. दैट इज़ द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग. घासून काडपा पडटा सगळें क्लीन.